I just pull up shining, all these diamonds on me glisten. I got perfect timing.
Hello my elegant beauties, it is your host Juvia P. Welcome to my channel, and for those who are returning, welcome back. Since this is Valentine's Day month, I figure why not start out this video with a theme. So today's theme is going to be red. We're going to use the color red, and I found out that red means love, passion, romance, and danger. Also a disclaimer, in the beginning things will go a bit fast. However, throughout the tutorial things will slow down. I do hope that you learned something new. I hope you see a product that inspires you to try, and I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. With that being said, please enjoy this video, and I do look forward to seeing you in the next. Kicking things off, I am using the Thomas Roth Water Drench Rich Barrier Moisturizer. This moisturizer is absolutely fabulous. It felt like I was giving my skin a hug. To prime my face, I'm using E.L.F. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. To me, it feels very lightweight, it's silky, and it grips my makeup very well for all day wear. Next, to color correct, I am using LA Colors Concealer Correct in the shade Peach. Taking the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel in the shade 06 Ebony Brows, I am filling in my brows. I absolutely love this product. To give my eyebrows a sharp contrast look, I am utilizing the E.L.F. eyeliner pen in the shade Black. Cleaning up my bottom brow, I am taking the Juvia's Place Concealer in the shade number 10. Now for the top, I'm still using the Juvia's Place Concealer in the shade 14. What I love the most about these concealers is how seamlessly they blend into my skin with little to no effort. Taking a small blending brush, I am blending out that color correct concealer that I let marinate for a bit, and as you can see, it's doing its job. So here I am blending out that concealer to create a smooth, bright base. With a medium-sized blending brush, I am packing and blending those two colors in my upper eyelid. Using a pointy blending brush, I am packing that beautiful chocolate brown in the lower corner of my eye. and then with slow motion, just blending it out. Next, I am packing that dangerously gorgeous red, starting from the front to middle part of my eyelid. This is also going to tone down that chocolate brown as well. And off camera, I just added some eyeliner and lashes. Now look how stunning these lashes are. Please check the description box below for more details. For foundation, I am using Maybelline Super Stay Activewear in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. Notice how skin-like this foundation is. Absolutely marvelous. And also, it is very lightweight, which is what I appreciate the most. This is the cutest powder puff I've ever seen. Plus, it's pink. Now taking that powder puff, I'm just blending, blending, blending. You guys, this bronzer smells so yummy. It literally smells like shea butter, and I was so shocked. And now I'm just contouring my cheeks and forehead. Taking my Huda Beauty 3D highlight palette, I am just adding some glow to my cheeks and eyebrow bone. Closing out, I am using my MAC lip pencil in the shade Chestnut. I love this lip liner. It's very smooth, it glides with ease, and I appreciate the pigment of the color. Saving the best for last, I am finishing this look with the Fenty Velvet Liquid Lipstick. I cannot express enough how much I love this lipstick. It's sexy, it's an eye catcher, and you can wear it all day with little to none touch-up needed. I really want to thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really hope that you try out this look. It's so pretty and it's just so beautiful. I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers!